Start.
Good morning. I am Jasmine. Today my laptop topic is load cell. In this topic, some content are there. Introduction of load cell, classification, construction, working principle, advantages, disadvantages, and application of load cell. First, know about introduction of load cell. Load cell, it is a device which is convert mechanical device to some digital value. It is a transducer. Transducer means it is a convert one type of energy to another type of energy, and it will convert force in a measurable electrical output. There are many variety of load cell is there. Mostly use the strain gauge load cell in industry. It changes voltage calibrated directly in terms of force or load applied to the load cell. Then classification of load cell. There are three types of load cell is there. First, hydraulic load cell. Second, pneumatic load cell. Third, strain gauge load cell. Then construction diagram of hydraulic load cell. In hydraulic load cell consists of one piston, diaphragm, pressure gauge, and some liquid form. Then working principle of hydraulic load cell. Whenever the force is applied to the diaphragm, it will be expand, and force will be expand the liquid medium. Then the fluid reaches the pressure gauge, and the pressure gauge measure the liquid. Then construction diagram of pneumatic load cell. Pneumatic load cell consists of load platform, diaphragm, air supply, air, bleed valve, and pressure gauge. Then working principle of pneumatic load cell. Whenever the force is applied to the diaphragm, it will same compress, and we given the air is does not move the outside because a bleed valve is there. Bleed valve, it is an adjustable valve which is block the air and save pass air through the pressure gauge, and pressure gauge will measure the air. Then construction diagram of load strain gauge load cell. In strain gauge load cell consists of load platform, cylinder. Inside strain gauge is Wheatstone bridge there. Wheatstone bridge consists of R1, R2, R3, R4, 4 register. 4 register is on stress, and galvanometer is there whenever the giving the some resistance. Then working principle of strain gauge load cell. Strain gauge, it is a convert mechanical to electrical signal by help of Wheatstone bridge. It also positive displacement measuring instrument. Whenever the displacement increase, digital value also increase. Inside the strain gauge Wheatstone bridge are there how much force is given to the length. Length will be increased, then area will be increased. Length that is resistance measure the Wheatstone bridge. It is getting the difference load than strain gauge activated and non-activated means it means the strain gauge inside the Wheatstone bridge R1, R2, R3, R4. 4 register are different value. It will activated and give the some output. Whenever the R1, R2, R3, R4 same value, it will not activated and not getting the output. Then see the some video.
A lot of people have the morning routine of stepping on a scale to check their weight. What most people don't know is that they are using a very simple load cell to find out their weight. Old scales used to use weights to try and level out the two sides of the scale. Now we have methods that measure weight automatically.
Whenever the weight measurement
is a definition
weight measurement
of what we're talking about. A load cell is a force gauge that consists of a transducer.
Whenever the strain meter, whenever giving push the button, it will show the some digital value in strain meter.
There are 4 common types of load cells. There are
many types
hydraulic,
of load cell is there, but in
gauge,
industry,
and
3
capacitive.
types of load cell is mainly used.
Before we get started on today's video, if you love our videos, be sure to click the like button below. Then make sure to click subscribe and the little bell to receive notifications of new RealPARS videos. This way, you never miss another one. Let's begin by looking at how a pneumatic load cell works. Since it is pneumatic, we know that it will deal with air pressure. A pneumatic load cell consists of an elastic diaphragm, which is attached to a platform surface where the weight will be measured. There will be an air regulator, which will limit the flow of air pressure to the system, and a pressure gauge. Thus, when an object is placed on a pneumatic load cell, it uses pressurized air or gas to balance out the weight of the object. The air required to balance out the weight will determine how heavy the object weighs. The pressure gauge can convert the air pressure reading into an electrical signal. Next, let's talk about a hydraulic load cell. The word hydraulic should let us know that this load cell will work by using fluid, whether water or oil. These load cells are similar to pneumatic load cells, but instead of air, they use the pressurized liquid. A hydraulic load cell is consisting of an elastic diaphragm, a piston with a loading platform on top of the diaphragm, oil or water that will be inside the piston, and a bored-on tube pressure gauge. When a load is placed on the loading platform, the piston applies pressure to the liquid contained inside it. The pressure increase of the liquid is proportional to the applied force or weight. After calibrating the pressure, you can accurately measure the force or weight applied to the hydraulic load cell. The pressure reading can be read as an analog gauge, or it can be converted into an electrical signal from a pressure sensor. The next type of load cell we will discuss is the strain gauge. This is the most popular style of the load cell. A strain gauge load cell is a transducer that changes an electrical resistance when under stress or strain. The electrical resistance is proportional to the stress or strain placed on the cell, making it easy to calibrate into an accurate measurement. The electrical resistance from the strain gauge is linear, therefore it can be converted into a force and then a weight if needed. A strain gauge load cell is made up of 4 strain gauges in a whetstone bridge configuration. A whetstone bridge is an electrical circuit that measures unknown electrical resistance by balancing 2 legs of a bridge circuit. One of the legs contains the unknown component. The whetstone bridge circuit provides incredibly accurate measurements. The strain gauges that are in the whetstone bridge are bonded onto
whenever given the electrical supply, it will resistance it will display some digital value. Then after advantages of hydraulic load cell. The load cell of the voltage meter can be used for both expansion and compression. Then strain gauge load cell are less cost, so it is used in the industry. Then disadvantages of load cell: bulky in size in rigid construction, cost oil is high, and maintenance is difficult. Then application of load cell: weight machine, strain meter, and hydraulic cylinder. Thank you.